I've mentioned previously that I was going to start visiting some Welsh castle sites, and that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to visit Ewloe Castle. The castle is a ruin, but it's pretty cool because it's in the middle of a forest. The original castle was built by King Owen Gwynedd, and somebody's painted the coat of arms of the Gwynedd kingdom here. The original timber castle was replaced by a stone castle in the 12th century. Just go up this little mound, you can see the castle. You can see the castle in front of us now. It's said that it's in a very poor strategical location because there's high ground around it. But I don't know if that's correct, because this area would have been heavily wooded at the time when the castle was built. So even though there's high ground around the castle, it would have been very difficult to use siege engines because of the forest. Got some steps here leading down to the entrance. Got the curtain wall here, and there's an artist's impression of what the castle would have looked like. It's quite a simple design really. There's just two towers, one round tower here on the lower level, courtyard, and then there's another tower, D-shaped tower on higher ground, and that's surrounded by a curtain wall as well. I'm inside the courtyard of the castle now. You can see the remains of the round tower in front of me. Can't see an entrance to the tower, so it must have been at a higher level. So there must have been some wooden steps going up to it. And this is where the well was located. There you can see the main tower, which is on a higher level. Just go up there. The history of the castle is a bit of a mystery, as there's very few historical records relating to it. But they believe it's possible that it was built as a statement of power more than part of any strategic plan. And they think that because Owen Gwynedd beat the English in battle in these woods, and that might be the reason he built the castle here. Like this tower's been like, half of it is still standing, so it's like been cut in half. Just go up these steps. This tower is built in a D shape, which is typical of the native Welsh castle designs. You can see the layout, I guess, of the cellar down there.